Hey guys, I've got another bloom for you again today. I'm still testing out the Valspar Reserve in Satin Base C. I have that mixed at a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts base to 1 part polycrylic. The colors I'm using today are Pebeo Dyna in blue black, Lukas Cryl in Arctic, SoHo and Rose Madder. I also have a little bit of the Primary Elements by ColourArte and Plumeria mixed in. I have another Primary Elements in Ginger Peach, and last but not least, Amsterdam and Venetian Rose. My cell activator is Lukas Cryl in Titanium White. I've been getting really good and consistent results with this new base. If you're having a hard time finding your normal base paint, go ahead and give this one a shot. It's a few dollars more than what I would normally buy, but I think the results are worth the little extra. That's it from me. I hope you guys enjoy this bloom. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm still a growing channel, so every little bit helps. I'll see you guys next pour. Bye!